Try and remember now just what has been done. Enslavement, displacement of every nation, now to one nation. Everyone hold their grudge. Kinda makes me wonder which side I'm on. I don't defend the black, I don't defend the white. I defend truth and rights and all of that. Work on situations where I'm at. Hold my position, never fall off track, never give up my faith. Babylon reigns, I will strive until the end of my days. Rasta courage, go against society, Rasta courage. I never give up no good vibes, never give up no true hope. Never trade my sanity for living in Babylon crew. Vanity will never drive this man insane. This man will walk alongside Jah again. We see all of the pressure to conform today. I miss Satan's bed, but as a knot don't need to break. A life of iniquity for laziness sake. It's a deal with the devil, Rasta just can't make. Never give up my faith. In Babylon rage, I will strive until the end of my days. Rasta courage, go against society, Rasta courage. Looking back now upon all of the evidence, 400 years and what those years have really done. We talk of peace, but at the first sign of war, brethren ain't no brethren, sister and sister no more. Without forgiveness, how will any war cease? While the heathen rage, Rastaman still sitting at ease. No one will move a muscle for some moral justice. And with moral justice, you just can't have no peace. Never give up my faith. In Babylon rage, I will strive until the end of my days. Rasta courage, go against society, Rasta courage.